What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to recover Gmail account without email, phone and password. So now in order to make this process, you should call the Google support. So to do that, you can simply open the browser that you have on your phone. I'm gonna open Google here, for example. Then you should type here support.google.com, and here, as you can see, it will show you this page right here. Now you should click on Google account. You shouldn't click on Gmail because Gmail is actually connected to your Google account, so you need to restore your Google account first. Then by this way you will also recover your Gmail. So I'm gonna click on Google account right here. Then as you can see, it will show me right here this page, and now you should actually sign in using another account. And if you do not have another account, you can simply create one just in order to tell them about your problem. So now you have to scroll down till you find post to help community. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will jump you directly to this page. Now you should scroll down again, then click on post a question right here. Now it will show you this page right here. Now you should a short summary of your issue. So I have typed this small sentence, as you can see. Then you should describe your issue in details using this description box. So I have typed this small message. Now you should scroll down until you find also this option right here, and now you should choose account access and recovery. Then after that, you should click on next. As you can see, you can use one of these things if you want. Then click on next. So I'm going to choose account recovery, for example, then click on next step. Then here, as you can see, you can scroll down again, then click on next step again. Then here it will ask you about the platform. So I'm going to choose Android, for example, then click on next step. And that's because I'm using the Android right now. Now it will show you here the display name. This is the name that is going to be displayed when you send messages to Google experts. So you can edit it if you want, or you can simply continue. And make sure to check this option right here, get emails when someone responds. After that, you can simply click on post, and by this way you have sent them your question, and after a few couple of minutes they will send you a message on your current Gmail right now, and they will tell you exactly what are the steps in order to recover your Gmail or your Google account. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.